Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today, we're looking at the protective glass for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it'll also work with the iPhone 14 Plus. It's a 6.7-inch screen glass. Then you have the iPhone 14 Pro Max Crux case with the MagSafe magnets from Catalyst right there. Also comes with a lanyard. And then you have a different color lanyard you could buy. Here's one in pink. Here's one in blue. There you go. And then we have the influence case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It has the MagSafe magnets right there. Then you have another lanyard right there that comes with it. And then you have the stick-on wallet for the iPhone. It has a couple of spots here. Also, you can put your fingers through here like that, or you can attach something else, but that's nice. It comes with a really big lanyard right there. And altogether, these are the accessories for the new iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 series phones. It has the MagSafe here and as well as here. You can get these now from Catalyst. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.